go craft yourself up a frying pan. We're making Ratatouille. You'll need a pan, of course. I'm using this carbon steel beauty, but cast iron works pretty good too. Just make sure whatever pan you use that it can go in the oven. First, slice up your veggies. I'm using eggplant, tomato, and zucchini. You can use yellow zucchini too, but all I got is green. You can also use thinner Japanese eggplants and even heirloom tomatoes. Slice them thin. You can also use a mandolin for this. For your tomatoes, you're going to want to peel those first. Now, eggplants are a little trickier because we're going to slice them and then we're going to purge them. Put all your sliced eggplant on a drying rack and lightly sprinkle them with kosher salt. After half an hour, flip them and sprinkle salt on the other side. Let them sit for half an hour. Alright, now grab your slices and squeeze them into a bowl. Doing this purging makes your slices meatier. Plus, look at all that nasty liquid. That would end up in the ratatouille, which would make it gross. Toss that junk. Alright, grab the pan that you're going to use and lightly grease it up. I'm using no stick spray because it's going to make cleanup easy as heck. Now spread some tomato sauce at the bottom of the pan. Any old kind works. You're going to want a thin layer at the bottom. Then you can start arranging your veggies. Fan them out, moving from the outside of the pan in. It can be in any order, just make sure that it's consistent for even cooking. Cool! Now for another layer of flavor, we're going to make a vinaigrette. In a small mason jar go sherry vinegar, red wine works in a pinch too, olive oil, a tiny bit of honey, and some mustard. Dijon is traditional, but I prefer spicy brown. Lift it up and shake shake. Brush this over your veggies. You might have extra. Then, lightly season with a couple pinches of salt, some pepper, and some dried herbs. I like herbs de Provence. Very French. Bake this sucker for 10 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Then it's ready to serve. Hey little chefs, put on your chef's hat and crank on your favorite Patton Oswalt album. We're making Ratatouille from the movie Ratatouille. Whoa, did anyone else feel that? Someone's spending space time and I don't care for it. What I do care for is this tasty casserole. I serve it on a plate with more sauce and some crusty bread for spooning. Frying pan ratatouille is yummy! If you're looking for more Animal Crossing yummies, you're in luck. Check out this playlist. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!